Mr. Goggins, thanks so much for being here. I'm just a 26-year-old kid. I don't know what I'm doing in life. I don't know where I'm going. So my question to you is, what advice do you have for someone like that, and also someone who...
You gotta slow that shit down, man.
Sorry.
You gotta bring it.
I'm nervous. Sorry.
Don't be nervous, man. Fuck these people. You good? Fucking don't be nervous.
Okay.
That's exactly how motherfuckers fail. They walk in the room, and they ain't making no money that way. They ain't doing shit. You might heard shit you said. Now say that motherfucker, stick your chest out, say that shit. Slow.
Okay. Hello, Mr. Goggins. How are you doing?
Ah!
Thanks so much for being here. And my name is Mehul.
Nice to meet you.
It's an honor to meet you. And so I'm just starting out in life. I don't know where I'm going, what I'm doing. But also one problem, a major problem that I think I have is forming discipline. Staying disciplined in life.
You hear everything you just said.
Yes.
How old are you?
26.
And you don't know
Where I'm going, what I'm doing, and I'm not disciplined.
So how the fuck am I supposed to help you? How? You gotta sit, all this shit I talk about, man, that's what I talk about. There's a lot of motherfuckers that even came here and talked to you all today. I'm a fucking smoke jumper to keep knowledge coming. You don't ever walk up anywhere in fucking life at 26 or at 16 not having an idea what the fuck you want to do with your life. You're not gonna find it through coming to these fucking conventions. You're not gonna find it in a fucking book. You've got to sit down like I had to do around your age and think about what the fuck do you want to be? What do you want to do? How does that look like? Because how the fuck you can have discipline when you don't know where to put that shit?
Right.
That make sense?
Yes.
You ain't gonna have no fucking discipline. You're like, I don't know what I want to do, so you just wake up and just arbitrary fucking just wake the fuck up and just start getting after it? No. You gotta have shit in order. Plans, goals, destinies, journeys. And then all that shit falls into place. Every question you ask me will fall right to fucking place once you fucking figure out first at 26. So why the fuck are you here? Why are you here with all these fucking people?
I wanted to be around the right group of people. This is my
what?
first. I wanted to be around the right group of people for the first time in my life. This is my first event ever. I've never been to anything like this in my life before.
That's awesome.
Yes. Thank you.
Go home, shut your phone off, shut the fucking TVs off, shut the world off, and tune into you.
Okay.
Straight up. I'm not trying to be a dick, man.
Yes.
I'm telling you, that's why I said, when you hear me talk, it's thick skin shit, man. You should hear the conversations I tell myself every fucking day. And it's this conversation right here that will change your fucking life.
Yes.
And this is how you gotta talk to yourself, all right?
Yes. Thank you so much.
All right.